Hi viewers, you can see here is one machine's whose hub has broken, and we already have removed the hub, and today I will show you its all different parts and tell you what is the name of which parts. All the will open it and I will tell you this part is called this one. This you can see this hub has broken. Okay, this internal part. Now we will open it and will show you all the parts in details. So we already have removed from the this one, and you can see also so you can see mechanic have started to open this dismantle the hub. Here is the one Allen key bolt. uh, one we have opened, and now second one Allen bolt is going to opening. Now both Allen key bolt has opened. Now we this area up. Okay, you can see okay, we have now removed little.
Hub gear have bearing inside. All bearing damage all. Hub crown gear.
Hub.
Crown gear.
This is a hub crown gears. Okay.
Crown.
Okay.
Supposed to be like this, you see?
Mm.
Hub gear, but now no more gear here. All damage. But see this one? See this one? Gear. Because damage this no more.
So you can see this side have a gears, but this sides become plain completely. So this crown gears has damaged. You can see this side's gear has worn off, and this side have a little. Now we're going to dismantle some more things. have removed the bolt of crown gear almost. Last one is remaining is all open already. So now the all bolts have removed. So now we make a puller and then we pull out this crown gears. So we have made puller of this. We put these two bolts. You can see we use these bolts. We will pull out the crown gear. We are tightening the bolt and this crown gear is coming out. Now the crown gear is coming out. I will hold video here. Okay. This is a crown gear. Huh? This one. This is a drive shaft guide. And this one is a crown gears.
This is bearing. This is hub.
So this one is the hub, and these are here are the gear, the bearing. So we also open it one. It will come out. So viewers, this is the main complete all the parts of this hub. Okay, you can see, and one by one I going to explain you of all parts. This one is called the pivot, and this one is the inner bearing on it. Okay, and this is one the outer bearing. Okay, and
What I mean is problem operator. No, because
this one is called the crown hub or crown gear we call say. So this can see these are the broken parts, and these gears are I already explained you. This one is the crown gears, yeah, crown hub we can say it, and this one is the planetary gear inside the hub. Okay, so we can see this one is broken from here. These parts are broken from inside. This go here like this. So this part is also broken, and this one is called wheel hub. This part is called wheel hub. Okay, and we come this side. This is a big one is already I have explained. This one is the, you can see, gear shaft. Okay, and here is also broken. These gears are broken. This is a, or I told you, universal joint, and on this sides these are the splines. This rod is inside the axle. Okay, so this our hub is broken. Is different reasons of broken of this hub. Maybe this roughly drive, or maybe maybe oil, lack of oils, maybe reasons. So viewers, you can say I have explained everything to front of you. I hope you will get some information from this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and to share this video to your friends. Thank you.